Next up, we'll see pseudo-classes. A pseudo-class can be attached at the end of any selector, and that defines the specific state of the selected element. So a pseudo-class is always written with a colon followed by the pseudo-class name. Here are some list of some commonly used pseudo-classes. First, let's understand hover pseudo-class. What does it do with the help of an example? In our CSS file, let's select all the anchor tags and give them a hover effect. Colon hover, and let's give a background color of orange. Let's save it and then refresh our page. Well, you can see whenever the mouse cursor hovers over the link, we aren't clicking the link. Just when the cursor moves over it, the background color changes to orange, isn't it? So whenever we hover over the link, the background color changes. So this is done with the help of the hover pseudo class. So down here we have another link. So when we hover over it, it also changes the color. Here in the MDM page, you can see all these links and buttons. When we hover over it, a different background color of sky blue appears, and all these buttons have a different behavior or style, the sky blue color, and all these are done with the help of pseudo classes. Okay, now let's come to the active pseudo class here. So what does active means? Active means something that is currently activated. Down here you can see an example how it is used, this active pseudo class. You can see this link, when you hover it, it turns yellow, which is done using the with the help of hover pseudo class. But when you click on this link, when you activate it, notice what happens. Okay, now I clicked the link, I activated it, the link has turned to red color, and there is a light gray color background around the paragraph. See it again, I click the link, the link color changed to red, and the paragraph has a background color. And this can be achieved with the help of active pseudo class. So let's try it. In our CSS file, let's activate our anchor element A. Let's attach an active pseudo class. Active pseudo class, and let's give a color of red. Let's save it and refresh the page. You can see when we click on this link, you can see the text of the link has changed the color to red. Yeah, you can see again, it changed the color. So when you activate the link, the link of the color will change to red. And if you add active pseudo class to paragraphs, active and give a background color of, let's say, this salmon color. Let's save it and refresh our page. You will notice whenever we click on our paragraph, whenever we activate it, the color of the background color of our paragraph changes to this light pink color which we gave. It happens to all of the paragraphs. You activate, you click on all the paragraphs, the background color changes. This one already has a fixed color, so it is not changing. So yeah, that's for active pseudo-class. So now let's come to the nth of type pseudo-class. This nth of type pseudo-class. And this nth of type pseudo selector allows you to select more than one elements in a particular group. Let me explain this with the help of an example for better understanding. So in our HTML file, let's make a group first. In this section, we have one paragraph inside. So let's add more paragraphs. Let's copy this. Say copy. Paste. Let's give 6 paragraphs. Paste. Let's save it. We have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's give one more paragraph. Okay, now let's see. So now we have 6 paragraphs in this particular section group. Inside this section element, inside this group, section group, we have 6 paragraphs. So now if I want to select every second of the paragraph, like this 1 to this second paragraph, and then again this 1 to this second of the paragraph, I want to select all the second of the paragraphs, but not the only paragraphs. So I can do that with the help of nth of type pseudo class. So section, select the paragraphs inside the section, and then add the nth of type, and inside the bracket we specify the value of the nth. So I want to select all the second of the paragraph. So I'll write 2 n, and then let's give a background color. Background color of lime. Let's save it and see what happens. Refresh your page. Yes, you can see all the inside this group on this all these paragraphs, only the second of the paragraphs got the background color. Is 1, 2, the second one, again 1, 2, the second paragraph, again 1, 2. Only the second got the color. Now if I want only the third of the paragraphs to get the color, I'll write 3 instead of 2. See then what happens. Let's save. Yes, you can see only the third of the paragraphs. 1, 2, 3. The third paragraph got the color. Again 1, 2, 3. The third paragraph got the color. So that's it for the pseudo classes.